everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a video using a Cricut machine, and not only a Cricut machine, the Cricut Maker 3. I've always wanted a Cricut but never got a chance to get one, so I'm so glad Cricut reached out to me and sent me the Cricut Maker and the heat press along with smart vinyl materials. And the Cricut Maker 3 cuts so many materials, even fabric. And you guys know I love to sew and work with fabric, so this is a huge, endless possibilities you can do with it. Not only does it cut over 300 materials, but like different types of fabrics from super thin to super thick. And it even embosses and engraves leather, and also cuts wood and acrylic. That's so crazy to me. Like, I'm already so overwhelmed with all the projects that I could do with this. If you've been watching some of my videos for a while, you notice that usually I've had to hand cut and use X-Acto knives for so long. And so I'm so glad that I have a machine that could do all those little details for me. When I first got the machine, I was so happy to use all the smart materials, so I did a quick little test project using the smart holographic iron-on vinyl, and I did a quick little design on a t-shirt, and it came out so cool! So in this video, I'll be using the Infusible Ink Sheets. And I bought this one t-shirt dress a while back with the intention to customize it because it's really simple. And so I'll be using the Infusible Ink Sheets with the cute lemon print design on it. So stay tuned.
You'll need a t-shirt or anything you want to put a design on, Infusible Ink Transfer Sheets, an easy press, and of course the Cricut. To get started, go on Cricut Design Space and look up some squares from the images. And to get started with the little design, I'll be adding a checkerboard print with my lemons. Once you have the size you want, if you're on a MacBook, you can use Command C to copy the square and then Command V to paste it. In the image search, look up lemons and you'll see a slice of a lemon, and select that one and add it to your project. I'm going for a pink lemonade look, so hide all of the contours of the lemon peel and pith. This project will all be cut on a pink sheet. Once you added all the ones you want, you're ready to cut. Very carefully, with clean hands, take out the ink sheets and place it on the cutting mat. Some of the ink may transfer onto your fingers, so make sure you wash your hands before touching your fabric. Fancy schmancy. I love that the ink sheets are super easy to come off. Look how clean. Take out the seeds and cut out each little design. With the same lemon design and the same exact size, now you want to hide everything but the peel and the seeds. I'm also going to use this other lemon design that shows the entire outside of the lemon. I flipped a few and made them different sizes. And now you're ready to cut. Place your little images where you'd like them to go and adjust them however you like them. Once you have your placement, take a picture so you can refer to it. On Cricut.com, you can use the Easy Press Guide to see how long and how high of a heat to use for your project. Between the shirt dress, I have an easy press mat and muslin. Use a lint roller and make sure to press the shirt before placing your design. I accidentally forgot to pre-press, so don't come at me. Make sure to put some parchment paper in between the easy press. It looks so cool, and I just love how the ink just blends in with the fabric. For the design that has multiple layers, I started with the middle. Make sure to hold the easy press still so the ink doesn't move around. Then I carefully place and line up the yellow to match the pink. I also used the little cutout from the lemon to put next to the lemon slice. After doing all the other pieces, here's the final product.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Comment below what Cricut project you would like to see me do next. Literally, the possibilities are endless. I'm still so overwhelmed with everything I could do with the Cricut Maker 3. And thank you so much for Cricut for sponsoring this video. If you'd like to keep up with me on social media, you can follow me on Instagram at CraftyAmy. And I've also been posting some TikTok videos for fun at CraftyAmy93. Thank you so much for watching.